Miss Reyes, didn't reply to my email about the assignment. I even wrote it in big letters.
What do you mean, big letters?
Like all caps. I wrote. I don't understand the homework. What am I supposed to do?
Dude, it seems like you're yelling at her. Did you even say hi or anything?
No. I just got straight to the point.
That might be why she didn't reply. Teachers expect respectful in their ears, not ones that will look like you're shouting.
Hello everyone. Jake, I did see your email. I didn't respond to it yet because I want to talk to you in person. It came across a little bit intense.
Oh, well, I didn't mean to be rude. I just didn't know how to write it properly.
Here's a simple fix. Treat emails like a real conversation. Greet the person, be polite, and don't use all caps. Unless you want to scare them.
Here, Jake, try this version instead.
Dear Miss Reyes, I hope you are doing well. I'm having some trouble understanding the homework from today's class. Could you please clarify what we're supposed to do for question number 3? Thank you, Jake Morales. Wow, that actually sounds way better. Thanks, everyone. Sorry for the cough, Miss Reyes.
No worries, Jake. I'm glad you're open to learning. That's what matters.
And thus, Caps Lock was defeated by basic manners.